my wallet and
my Austin, phone. I've never known Ortega to be a pussy. You jumped off there, you conquered your fear, and now you're back in your shell. Yeah. And you're screaming, please Seth, help me come out. And I'm helping you. Let's go. I'll hold your hand. You want me to hold your hand? It's not homo, we're on vacation. Austin, undo those shoestrings. We're gonna jump in, we're gonna run our asses back, you're gonna take your shit, you're gonna put your towel on because you're gonna be cold taking a shit. And you're gonna be shivering, and the shivering will help the turd fall out. It's common sense. Let's do it. I'm already half naked. We're ready. You want me to go in my boxers? I'll do it in my boxers. You don't think I will? Yeah, you know what? They see dicks before. They got porno. They have porn. Oh, they don't. Never mind. I thought you were talking about those meaners. Look, they're gonna go show you up right now. If they show you up, you're the biggest pussy I've ever seen in my life. First off,
no, you guys go this way. Up here. Oh, they're just checking that out. They're gonna show you up, Austin.
No, they're not showing me.
Yes, they are. No.
Alright, you already got shown up by a girl once.
No,
actually, 3 times. Yeah, because they went, 3 girls went, and then you were like, I'm going home, and you went home. And then you came back later and did it.
Okay.
So they showed you up there. They did not show me up. They definitely did. Dude, if she falls, I don't want her to.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna go down there just in case. Pussy.
He's stuck.
Huh? Yeah, no, that's why I actually like this. I really do like this beach house. It's really chill.
Well, we're leaving Ocean Beach.
I want to go.
And this is our final goodbye.
Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Of the night, cause tomorrow I'm off to do battle, perform for a princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make love to you endless.
Come on, don't be a scaredy pants. Don't be a scaredy pants, bib.
Or they get up right there. Well, what if they get really hurt right now? Like, what are we gonna do? We can't do anything. Let's get.
Like it. I like it a lot. I got that on video.
Oh, we should have fucked that over here. We would have definitely done it.
Good job.